Welcome back to another video. We're doing some goose hunting today with Joe. But it did warm up. It was cold for about a week, and now we're gonna have a nice warm front come through, and all this ice that's formed is now gonna melt, and all the snow is gonna melt. So it's gonna feel like spring, but that's alright. We got geese to kill. I think we're gonna have 9 guys this morning. They're gonna run a big spread, and we're gonna be in that same field where we shot 45 in that band last time. We're getting everything ready. We're running layouts today. We don't have much snow cover, so we're gonna be doing kind of a grass hide. You guys have been asking us to get some shot cams, so shot cam actually hit us up, and we are partnering with them, and they're sending us 2 cameras, so you guys are gonna be seeing some awesome 240p slow motion videos of Dustin and Carter shooting some ducks and geese. So we're pretty excited for that, as I hope you guys are excited for that too.
Also wanted to thank Asher and the guys at Dive Bomb for hooking us up. You know, great team, great company too. So it's nice to know that the people who you're repping are actually good people. So,
but if you guys aren't following us on Instagram, definitely make sure you give us a follow. If you guys aren't subscribed, definitely make sure you smash that subscribe button.
Also, check out the apparel online on our website. Kind of cool. I'm not wearing any, but I'm wearing a cool Dive Bomb hoodie though. We'll see you over there.
Hey, Dustin. Hey. Get up. We made it to the field here. It's kind of sprinkling up. We really got no time to do whatever we need. We got to set out 60 dozen decoys and assemble 11 layouts within the 30 minutes until shooting time, but they're not going to fly for another hour after shooting time, so we're not really too worried. We are working with a west-southwest wind today. It's like 10 miles an hour. Birds are going to hopefully be coming right to us off the roost, but they'll probably do a few circling.
today we're gonna run a mix of dive bombs and full bodies, and then we're gonna run some sleepers as well. We're running a little behind the 8 ball this morning, so we're gonna hurry up and get all these decoys out and get in the blind. Well,
right to our right.
We just jumped in the blind. We got birds already working, so stay tuned.
That low flock, that's lessers. That low flock must be lessers. Just like Fergus.
Oh, first click of the morning.
Nice shooting, boys. Yeah.
Right before that.
Hey, Joe. Hey, Joe. Hey, Joe.
What do you got? Oh, God.
Oh, God.
Hey Joey, did I not call it?
Let's go!
Another one, dude. That's so cool.
Hey Joe, give it up.
This is crazy. First flock, band, well-deserved band.
Oh God! We're running 60 dozen decoys this morning, and we're starting to get some geese here. We got a couple ducks earlier this morning before Colin was filming, but they're not working like super great. We did just land a couple out towards the edge, but the bigger flocks are just coming to our calling over the top of us. So taking some shots. We just rained out quite a few out of that last group, so we're gonna get some birds down.
My gun didn't even go off.
Kill him!
My gun didn't even go off.
Nice shot.
Up again. I
Keep calling, keep calling.
There you
We're getting into him pretty good this morning. We got buddy guy Hunter over here. He's grinding the flute.
Oh, right on.
I don't know if you guys can hear that in the video, but it's pretty filthy. But I'm not sure about numbers. We're probably close to 30, but I'll get a count here once we pick up. It's been geese all over us in our face for the last 20 minutes, so we're just picking up here.
Gun was not going off again.
3.5-inch shells I'm shooting too. That's all I had left. Oh.
Yeah, let's shoot them.
Oh, hey, here come the goose.
Well, we got 56 birds down and birds all over in the sky, so just a few more to fill our tag. Pigeons.
Those 7 are gonna die.
Got him! Got him!
Oh god, 5 feet off the ground. Well, take a walk.
Luke just... Another flock coming, so
Nice shot.
Well, we decided to pack it up. Geese stopped flying. They're flying back to the roost, and the sun came out, so that's awesome. We did end with a big pile of birds. We're getting those counted right now, and once we get everything counted, I'll get back to you guys. But if I'm gonna guess, I'm gonna say 72. We ended with 69 birds and that cripple band that was way down there. Some guy came and pulled up in his truck, said he's seen a geese flapping in the field, so one of our guys went over there and he shot it, and turns out he came back, it was banded. So we got 2 band. I think we're gonna draw for one of them, and then I think we're gonna have Joe one, because Joe's been grounding pretty good lately and he's been getting us on some birds, so I think he gets this one. But we're gonna go take some pictures, buy some cool railroad tracks, I guess, and then meet you guys over there.
Oh, it's a cool lake! Oh. Holy fuck. Okay, let's go.
Fast! Scary. Train's coming, we gotta hurry up, take this picture, but it's looking nice. So instead of drawing for bands today, we're all gonna stand on the train tracks, and the last one who leaves gets the band.
We're gonna do a drawing for one of the bands, and then Joe got one of them, but I think there's gonna be 6 or 7 participants in this.
We got a blue. If you draw a reel, you're a happy man today. Yeah. Whenever you want. Somebody step up.
Luke! Luke!
Everybody's getting right now.
That was third. That's third, bud.
Looks like Gaines to clean up.
Okay, I'm even giving you a visual, pal.
Yeah, you can't get higher.
Oh!
Fucker. now it's undefeated.
It's meant to
be, see? Ball doesn't lie.
Ball don't lie. The ball don't lie.
So my bird was a female, banded 625, 2019. Spirit Lake, Dickinson County, Iowa.
Iowa band.
Yeah, Iowa. Sweet.
Well, I think we're wrapping it up here. This would have been an awesome hunt to get those shot cams on. There have been some pretty cool footage on that, but we did end the day with 69. We had 66 geese and 3 ducks and those 2 bands. We had that one from Iowa, and the other guys, I'm not too sure on where that's from, but I'm sure you're gonna be seeing a few more goose videos this year. We got a bunch more geese still left to push down from Canada and ducks.
A rivet is coming.
Hopefully a rivet is coming. We got a lot of warm weather coming, so all this ice that has formed in the Dakotas and South Dakota, Minnesota, it's gonna melt here pretty quick. We got like low 60s next week, high 50s. So it's gonna be interesting. This pig keeps kicking in the background. But if you guys aren't following us on Instagram, make sure you guys give us a follow. If you guys aren't subscribed, definitely make sure you subscribe to us. We're gonna have a ton of content out this year. And ice fishing is coming up, so you're gonna be seeing some Smackem ice fishing vids.
Oh yeah.
However those are gonna turn out. But if you guys have not checked out our website, we got a bunch of apparel. And if you guys wanna check it out, support us, support our content. If you guys like seeing our stuff on YouTube, it'd mean a lot to us if you guys could buy a hoodie or anything to support us. I'll have the link of our website in the description of this video, so make sure you guys check it out. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.